You want a new page with which you will be earning money easily in a super easy way by performing super easy actions. So stay, because this video is for you. Here you will have the opportunity to earn money in a very simple way by completing surveys, playing games, completing offers, and perform super easy tasks. Now, this is not a miraculous method that will make you a millionaire overnight, but one that will be giving you very good benefits in a fairly simple way. Of course, if you want to see how far you can go to win, I recommend that you watch the full video so that you do not miss a single detail, and also have the opportunity to start earning easily. The page that we are going to be using is about making money online by simply doing quite simple jobs. In fact, you are to earn GBT points by simply completing tasks such as surveys, playing games, watching videos, and much more. Now join. The truth is that it is quite easy to do so. You will click here on join free today, and well, how it works, you will complete tasks, you can be earning points. 5,000 points are equivalent to $1, and finally you will receive your money, whether in crypto money or a gift card. They also have a lot of fun games with which you will be earning money. They have a lot of partners, and also it has a lot of offer walls, and it has quick points that basically by registering somewhere and completing an offer you will be easily earning. Here some of the payment options and so on. But as I said, joining is quite easy to go. Click here on join free today. Now here we complete the registration with a username, password, confirm password, email address, confirm email address, first name, last name, and these data. The truth is that it is quite simple, and basically with just a few data you will be able to start session and start earning on this page. And well, as you see here, we have a page here. We can see, for example, the Start Tutor tutorial. We click here, for example, the different options to earn our referral link. The different offers here are the other offers. We have the points that we have earned, and well, basically that's all here. We click on the tour, and that's it. Here we have the different opportunities to win. Now, how can we earn some good points? Basically, we have look at this one that would be paying us more or less about $2. Remember, we have several opportunities with which we could earn a few good dollars. For example, 1150 points, 575, 1150, and look, here it is. We're going to see all the surveys that we have available since we have several partners. Look at this, for example, it is not available right now, but we have in Brain, which is also an excellent opportunity to start earning. We're going to wait for this quick survey to unlock the surveys with the highest profits for you. Click here to accept terms and conditions and click on start. And basically you are going to fill out a super basic survey. It is down, we indicate our zip code. You know, they are the same surveys as always with quite basic questions. Here, for example, our studies, university studies, current employment situation, full-time employee. We give you the next question. How many workers does your organization have? Let's say that out of 1150, you or someone in your family works in some of the following sectors. Let's see. Let's give you what advertising. There it is. Which of the following options best writes the number of employees? Let's put it from 10 to 49. Which of your job titles are we going to put? Which analyst is we'll go next? Okay, what is your job position, level of responsibility? Let's say that you are a partner and our gross annual income. There it is. You are the one who makes the decisions. The truth is that they are the most basic questions. How are you realizing? And finally, date of birth. Here we are going to put 2, for example, how in 2009, let's see 1985, there it is. Finish the survey, and that's it. Just like that, they are unlocking new opportunities for us. As you can see, we have found several surveys for you. For this, we click here on See, and we will see all the options that we have available. Now we are going to start earning points. As you see, we have different ways to earn. We have the surveys that are basically the ones that we just took. You can see all this at the beginning, or here we have the clip points, which is basically completing an offer. And look, there it is through Mad News, Honey Game here, Short Links TV, and Butcher or Time World. With any of these offers, you will be able to start earning in a fairly simple way. We also have the offerals section that this, well, basically, I think everyone basically knows it is to click here, and it will start loading the available offers. The offers are nothing more than installing an application, playing a game, subscribing to a service. And look, Cashraft, I really recommend it, plus it gives quite a few points. Let's see. What other options do we have? We have pretty bad games, to be honest. But in any case, we could win with these suitcase games. Now we have pages that are paying quite well. In addition to the points that they are going to give us, for example, 26,000 points through Gessel Loots, 26,000. Points through Chrome points 26 through Sun books play be careful here to 26,000 29,000 and look there are several pages that are paying very good amounts of points and basically for this you simply have to click here and register or complete the offer as necessary. Now it's quite easy, look here it is. Now let's move on to the game section. As you see here we have different games. And depending on the category, for example, we could select here all these arcade racing casinos of educational dresses or educational racing platforms of defending the tower. Well, the truth is that we have several games and keep in mind that several of them are going to be giving us some good coins. Now this is not one of the best ways you have to win, but you could win some extra coins. Now to be able to withdraw, well, the truth is that it is quite easy. We can withdraw through bank transfer, but that is more designed for the United States through cryptocurrency, which would be, well, basically Bitcoin, Dogecoin among others, and we only need $1 or 5,000 points. And through Amazon, a card gift from Amazon with which we only need 1 or 5,000 points. The truth is that it is quite simple and anyone can start earning. In addition, for example, you could transfer it directly to pods, which many times have asked me how they can withdraw to pods. Well, I think this is an excellent opportunity. Anyway, the page is in the link in the description, so you can easily access it in a fairly simple way. Anyway, see you in the next video. Until next time,